dining room, entrance, guest bathroom on the side. And we go to the terrace. OceanView, it's about 2 kilometers, a bit less, 1.8. It's a third of an acre lot with a large swimming pool. It's a 7 bedrooms house. So we're gonna see now the living room. So I will extend totally the space or cover the terrace. So here are our living rooms, here our kitchen. You have a large inventory grocery room here. Could be used, you see, as a laundry machine, freezer. Here the kitchen. So the house comes fully equipped. We go down and we have 3 bedrooms on the down floor. So could it be 20 stairs? We arrive on the right. It's a kid bedroom today. He has his own bathroom, large bathroom. Oh wow, with a bath inside. Second bedroom. He has a walk-in closet and an own bathroom too. We go to see the last bedrooms of this unit. There is 7 bedrooms in the total. Same things, walk-in closet, bathroom, and large rooms used for kids now. So on the bottom level, possibility here to have this area, which is very great. More on shade cover, to have a living room, give you access to the swimming pool. So then you have a second unit with 4 bedrooms. 2 on the bottom part, giving a view on the pool and the garden, and 2 on the upper part, giving view on the street. So they are normally the 2 other used for worker that you have. In Nicaragua, it's very frequent to have property owners giving bedrooms to workers, to have them on site 24 hours 7. It's safe. Today the person who rent another bedroom here. Today the person who rent has no permanent worker on site. So he stay like this, and actually it's fine. There is no issue of security in the area. We're in Lomas de Palermo. So Lomas de Palermo, 2 kilometers from town, gated community.